Good morning, when you?
That's a match.
Me pacho minu abeni.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Kwasi mamintio.
Because anti problem can see our honey issue. And issue no. Beye busu media or issue mawa santachi maguha. Issue ebe no mukwa e one head amai. Iti me srawa fre. Konongo for no nembisa omuse. Again ti issue ni mawa guha se. Di ti issue ni ma.
Mo MP why?
Honorable Andy Apiakubi.
Andy Apiakubi. Okay. Andy Apiakubi. Okay. Apiakubi. Okay. We will do. The last time on you by Eda Bang.
Well, that's it. And so to me, baby, never crowd to me. Odi a couple so anwa na eka.
Wow.
And this is how coming to me cancer a dancing in Swaba. Schools will be that's school for the new Swatano. Omun Sukan Nale. And yes, someone would be Sakono in soup for Ghana water for no marriage. A day in for him. Laying United and watch it. That's it.
Wow. For area, entire Konongo area, Nina.
I know the minute you are going to mean to me as a Konongo couldn't be back and I said, Bimo. But go 7 American, I can touch my go 7 American.
Asante Achamagugu Kroni Munina, right? And also for how long ni? Also for how long Bosome Nawache Nado do seni?
A training college.
Oh,
I say, dear, Professor Antin should be a Mawa.
Agogo Training College. Wow.
And should be a Mawa.
Okay.
A few say, me baby a bangula baby and so.
Okay, Janahwana Sumamena mene lawyer Andy Apiakubi or no member of parliament Edma Santachem. Ago cancer no pay ya mwache mwakwa ba de ba kuma 87.9 FM kufia santini bibia boko de
ya nyamini bibia eboko
we de ma ambushiu but me ana me yosa facha me yes mo my Ghana we de ye me mpotebu na otem omamfo ni bia frese for period of time ni nsuo ma mo area ho ene de mu se bia ya aware na wonya awe nso a wate ne watekini on e de aboa wo mo pacho abrante he fa pote wo MP wa homa so na ontio
but so Agogo Training College free.
Agogo Training College. Since for how long then you in my?
Because I think so name the means to me kaida kwai by. Ye ha see no campus ya see. Ya contact you for Ghana water for e bi o mobile ya ye get to one man na ba tikiti
okay.
Campus abia.
Thank you. Honorable, Pacho, what idea of the situation?
What's in a good training college?
Patron, in the area honina for period of months.
Training college may enclosed. And it is a training college for the whole problem with water for the school. It's not for the township.
Okay.
Because my horse is here, you are Santiago.
Oh, okay.
Me be pipe flow. In fact, I will go particularly now and perennial water problems.
Okay.
Before 2017, the president Nana Akufo-Addo 2016 the campaign, and I had the yellow council man for the constituency so much time. And it me assurance says, "I may have been no be president. We make kind the first thing obey a man." And indeed, if we not President Kufuor, a chance to water system of ma kormo aguna kumu. And this is for by Roman Trachipran Ekabo. See, I'm no case President Nana Akufo-Addo in 2017. Or water production plant now could be a friend of Jariago and Dumasi.
Okay.
A complete is so 1.2 million gallons of water a day. Asante Achim nyinaa no Kormo ni agugu nyinaa no the consumption 800,000 a day at peak.
I see.
Capacity no sukura wo ho 4.8 million gallons a day. It move 1.2 million gallons na ye produce this year because over capacity. Distribution no so ye wo reservoir ba ko Domia Bra Sibupo biso ho. And a pumping station also will answer. It is a bar, a flow by gravity by Jansa, not a more pumpico agu. And it is a problem be one area and yet general problem, but it's no can make so maintain because technical principle is very good. It will be bar friendly.
Okay.
What can say my friend maybe say I'll just get Ghana Water to go and rectify the situation. In fact, 3 or 4 weeks ago, part of our Ahibonum no more challenges. We pray Ghana Water manager no more within 3 weeks now. But on also workers and when you problem, say the crime in was a DC or has he made a complaint to the DC? On yes, on the we are watchdogs of the community.
Of course.
Bibi ba na se bia o free Ghana Water for no maya o betimi a friend DC no brama de na o so ato so etimi so mitia e na ya waka hye bi we de o free me back o china we say benya say the crazy problem of
okay, the very wonderful response there. Abrante very great. Abrante Mebacho, what a member of parliament and come.
Mebacho Martinka.
Aye.
I see the work in now. The penny say a person who are however wanting and soon and to watch it much is the history of your market.
Okay.
Yamission of far. Okay. Said the SO we are found so by Yama in Yamission.
That's great. Honorable, we are more than grateful. Now, we are deputy railway say ni ankasa Buankra na obi bisa se Buankra but just see here ansesa enyanye yi. I don't know if you can update us on that.
Meaning point of correction. Sabri the deputy minister.
Of course. Yeah, of course. Of course. As at January 6th. Of course, you are right. Yeah. As a former deputy, so I'm hoping that you'll be reappointed because Ejuma will be Ejuma. No credit. No credit. No credit. Of course.
And President Sumidana said, Mommy, I couldn't understand in the sum of my Ghana. Sabri, the cleaning of Fubina, or so old, or the sharing Pabba, or to us. And the other time, Bonnet, you didn't be any experience, when you
But do we still have idea, Buankra, any update?
Well, Buankra, the attorney said, and the question woman said, Buankra cannot be Buankra without railways.
Yeah.
So also railways cannot be railways. A commercial line cannot be a potent project without Buankra. And to Omu Tapo.
Yeah.
And as I said, development be concurrent. Now, senior President Eba Asante Rigi, the tail end of 2020, not Obekati for construction of Buankra Inland Port. Investors did say this can be seen now on the Buankra Inland Port. And preparations to on-site cost. But in the can the same way, procurement of Eastern Line with Buankra, who fracture back massive. And so ongoing. In fact, I do tail end of procurement. And evaluation challenges by it, complaints by it. Public Procurement Authority, or that's it. Yes, I quote the final phase of procurement, re-evaluation of the bids. And to them say, Sabria, million for Befa, Ejumano. beto so awie na yetimi award contracts for the construction of Eastern Line the complement Buankra project no and Tinimbi no come together on stream and no yetimi nya Buankra and railway design ni adi na feasibility report ni na any funding gaps na wo mu ni na the necessary provision for it and in this term no there na me aduma we will see the life of Buankra and the life of Accra Kumasi Railway.
Okay. Lawyer Anopei Medawasipa na bijiri se the etimemu for free and leaders any yebefra na ja waboy and wacheche ne mama. We are more than grateful for the time.
We are Miss Medawasi say menya kwa mamicha asante achimpo skakranzo. Asante achimbe in some way in Tanzania.
No correct.
Asante achimbo South and Central. And today for kwenye so achia ya dofo wa asante achimina any penfo na nanuma wa asante achimne omombo anu mpabo. Election ya kwenye bian eguso ayedas in fact akadi kuruka kaya sabda mwasi na chese the enu be kusise be sa prayer near parliament. And you have we saw that man for you say ne omoye adom ne ye pamboni e akwancha e bidu de edri na misra mu na
that's
people so omoye adom omoye platform so na misra.
We are grateful. Amen. Amen. See there asante atuma agu na enentwisem ne fulani
nyame adumo
nka ye fra wi nka fulani ne nantwie na ye di ho nkomo
obi say baby a full ready for the football.
Yeah.
You say, Abani, body full. Now, Sophia, most soon take myself.
Say, Asomrofi, Juan or Canamania baby denti. I know they are no credit. Metrafa, we are grateful. Wow.
If we tragedy into triumph. If we don't some near we say market yes store your body. And from tragedy to triumph story.
Of course, you deserve the credit because it was it was a major headache for Asante region security. And no correct. No correct. From the regional minister and the entire team.
President,
of course.
Minister. Million was at Chimhagina DC when Kofi Mukra Mubo who they will credit to. Emma baby Hodma ascending here, ascending how. No, you'll be crying catch about Saya. Okra could 200 mobiles a quay when yet. So the most of Mama Kramutinema.
Sure.
Emma for 40 years.
Okay.
When you cry, where you are about.
Yadawase honorable and the appear could be better was around the appear could be a lawyer for the member of parliament Edema Santiachim North constituency and mote say residents efre say womunsu wo college ho yafre na wama yinchiri mu na ya fabro nya ho na de awe nkokọ kakra what you say. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho minu abedi.
Kwabena ni mo free. Didona ni mi ane edawani.
Edawani free he.
Me ba to me kaseti.
FM 87.9.
Me pacho emna ye program no. Yesa di kan yabupo nsua ogbo adwuma pa.
Omo start ya omo ye adwuma ne de.
Nana me pacho ade ba ko nwie. Bridge no na edavivi ba ise no. I need the pastor. You see, we really are controlling chance, and in the pastor that will be a man who is you.
Emena, myself more MP, and anything come on. Say last week Thursday, a Friday, no mobile.
Me actually my body tattoo and make a kipana. And baby, okay, say now only baby I want. If you are connected, say we are one hour, baby I want. Me actually send car. We sign that no money in the me prepare and commit minimum. Come up to that question and say, when you man for him outside war. What about your campaign? And so do time of the was with more.
Okay, now I say a man anymore or aware of the problem. I think sir is dealing with it.
Okay, me problem I could see you. Me bacho honorable MP Manomapo on one cousin in Pesu as well, but they are here. They appear to our TN. If you talk a cardiac one, and last year I ever saw by just a week. And what the machine they see as well. Womu a gata. A just gata me. It's a gata no. I'm a quanasse for who's one I couldn't see. She said, if you so crying hour, you baby, I was here, and stick like Bakukan.
Street light back Ukraine were so the feel.
Nana, me bacho me plaka. Umante more, me baopa, in the boy. More than met me to car. Now me I made him up around and I joke. Then you make a me bois and Penny Melasses.
Wow, that is serious. Okay. Mate, a yebe friend na ye di hon komo.
This then in Pennsylvania. Oh yeah. Oh just a day na bo look me ya buta say. That come out for then or e go be so. Any put here partner, it must have a great mean as I hear mother.
Okay. Madam was who deal with the but Hurley? Yeah, Hamza Niana. Yes, Hamza. And now on common me say my any production in Comananka, Yanis Buako Hineno and Casa, Yansa Enyan Kanti, Mr. and Buakun Common Yeni one Eduma. That's in Tia Pont. You will show now, Fred, Mena in your production through your end. Why?
87.9.
I don't pay so I be Kumas into Kumas and Potemu.
Meban Honorable Eric Opoku. Ya oye Sankore ni kukumi na ampi.
Okay.
Aze obeye regional minister o Ashanti region. Eno san ye bro for regional minister. Na ofi Sankore opon krum ene meso yerade. Opon krum won chip compound ho. Tia se obi nyim so be yarena so mo de ko na say ohia yare sapa ji so ko Sankore na say bibiani na kwana o de fa so ba bibiani ana say kwana o de fa so ko Sankore no na ko fi e ti say mi mpo mi hunu se mi sika no ene ayi manso poye
Akoma FM
ena
87.9
say mo benya we honorable Kupuku na say mo tinya ka say Opon krum chip compound no e kwana e faso ko opon krum ho both bibiani and ase Sankore no e ti se amakuni edum ntino onhwe no bi no mutimi nya sa kwan no e na oabo ai azekasiama ono so ofi bibiani ko sa ai etanodumase e kwana tete ai sentbe na me pese me sere Ghana ban enu ai omo timiche konso efimo no easy for say ai mponua atuma mponua
eson ene de eson pa
so godo
eson
ufin pesetia o sa kosi ai okofo kam
87.9
every bibiani sa kosi ai abofrem sa ko ai sa we kukum side ho no wata fa wata abasa no duma na America ho asemi mponyo no so nti sa mo de masa MP ba ko a wo trase hwi esan ba ahafo sa kese esododo nti yififo ene aban omunhwe na omunche sa yiri mu nyesa wo de ma MP ba ko a wontimi nye developmental work bia ho bako fi da say
Bedasipa Hamza, Bedasipa. Asa wonanti ukurimu hapa o. Very interesting. Atefu ejina la so ache. Minu ya beni. Tupac ni ana.
Oh, diana ba.
Na dia mama credit asa e abeji bi.
Easy na jina so ache pa.
E abeji credit na asa wa ban na abenti bi tobi ma wenyi.
19 minutes pa.
Hey! Oh, credit na sa. Tupac kafra san frɛ. And the memoir Kasama Huamba. Hello, good morning.
Hello, boy.
Why you?
Babu from me just watch you. Me just go 2 hours new.
Hey, 2 hours. Now program me start here na bay.
Babu na bo say I want to.
Hey,
Me just ampa.
hey, why are there? I mean too.
Babu morning.
Morning.
Babu fi new tablet.
Afforestation. I like your spirit. Na enra na do buy na my engage na my nyakwa yanko manko. And come on, na abrante bi pa de yaw tabre. Said your flower afforestation hono na we de boa na yina no because Bible mu adwuma na wudi no. You have the spirit of perseverance. Nyamishra. Wo benya mu ayama unuanom. What?
Mpacho de mate.
Bedase pa. Kuma to ye ma credit nsa. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, Pacho Hweni. Yes, Minia.
What did you?
What did my mean to? Hey, which now so Kafra. Wow. Sure no. Moi mama so e busy nti mu blame me nyi.
Program there, do our program so like it was up.
No correct.
At the end of the day, I offer lawyer Academy.
No correct. No correct. And one.
Whatever.
Aye. I ask him. And Jeffrey, hello, good morning.
That was it.
Minia.
The only talent, Untimudino.
Mammy, too.
It was respecting Pumpe. Honorable one, Mammy, for people is not Chama for the Yamishana no place. Now I'm making that so much.
That be with the old French. What do you mean who call?
Mati. Let's say me pete be hard journey. You see you of fools, bravo fee. Now they show me pete petting for when is not. A quine and I feel street light and non so. Do so now doors.
How him fan? Sepeting poom. Okay.
Yeah. It's I'm a month for so a man for power.
Sepeting poom here as Gorman Pong, right?
As Gorman Pong, my whole one.
Okay.
I'll be doing 1 month and walk as Gorman Pong. You know, so Mr. might become complain.
Alidu, I think so.
Alidu, I have
my friend on occasion.
I do go and sanitize the time I have to Abano.
Aye.
Or Babette ended or the car ever Efa so ever baby, ever campy. We was about 5 Kabita BC was or the Mayaji. Or report on and was a size Kabita and flew. I have one at your manager. Right.
Okay. Okay. But that's we'll deal with that. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Doctor.
Kuvia Santini, when you? Hello? Okay, too bad. Hello, good morning. Bebato, when you? Kafra minia, Kafra. Mamintio. Hey, Mozongo na. Medaswa oho.
Very good. Guys, I will say about now we have the first couple of months.
Aye.
Have to go close to park and so. We will go to.
Wow.
When I'm up here, I say, "Some people say so that I can show Johnson Kwan." Johnson Kwan. That's my meeting. That was the board up that I found.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, two about my different parties. This entity. Eh? What do you know?
Okay. Okay. But I say I would deal with that. Thank you very much, Minia. Yemfa, the next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Hweni.
Friend Kofi ka say Jacob.
Jacobu Mamintio.
Bago visa ekwan dey when any that was
na the last time me frɛ WMC we DC.
Since na so any that
Asamoah Boateng no ka kyerɛ me sɛ ekwan no contractor no eduane ekura no bi ehu ba bi wo ntia wo mo eya omo de ma
obeka dey bi na so we say contractor. This is only any that was. Ma no pay limit me frɛ kwa no say mpacho. Ya to abawie na. In MPD or Adansi side or Central Region in the Japan side or
aye.
Meaning say or no almost or good passport you.
Aye.
And doesn't use it to say.
As some of those
people peace nearby. You see, I don't do not go to. I don't know the intention of shame.
Put him a crap polo assembly. I say, you may be Yantashu. A crap polo assembly started July 2020. Ena April 2021. Eti April, May, June, July. Eka 3 months, nanka 1 year. Ansana yedie. Ena on say asem court buya. At the time I be any panel. Akasa were guilty. Sanka kwapin polo one plead guilty and kebe koswa cause say ye be di assembly in you kebe me take be 2 years.
But na Nigeria am believe in that question. Na so Nigeria ata Ghana ha no na nye be Court of Guasan, we ante honshi MPD to Parliament jacket here.
Our court, yenye.
Yeah, but what, we see some for the best way in. It is like court injunction to MPs.
Injunction in the tea, and I say injunction about will be to me console coco. File different bullshit, but assembly go so our court and be had the answer court. So we'll get you an update on that. But that's Minia. Okay. Mempotemuni and Chanami wrap up with the Mempotemu. Good morning. When you?
Good morning, Kofi and
yes, Kofi and DC, right? Kofi, Mammy,
Kofi, coming for a conja with chair on the bottom of the the Dominican Ghana Power Yopa, Captain Taba, the Dovian Smith. Coffee, when you can come to him because of my own team, Milano, you'll be like the catcher say, yeah, Juma, and I say, yeah, Juma. What I say, Mano and Lay, yeah, Juma, it's in Lanity, you did to me, you do room, Mino. When you are Coffee, then Patamu somewhere. What did you say? The Samino Cafe, like to me, the fee.
Oh, I have fun. Oh, okay.
7.9.
There's 6 o'clock, but 7. You do like to bear 4 times.
Wow.
This will be a idea. Because you didn't know. Yes, some table yaba. And when I feel a moment, somebody come table yaba.
Timetable no crab a next month. Next month, I know you're crying, dear. Kumasi cry and confirm. I will just have to confirm so the Kumasi
minister, the baby driver catcher and say, you do so, may a fault. And now send me a material, you say, Galamse, I fed ye, or move a quetia. Minia, move a quetia, dear Galamse. We know the quetia, some men of one country, Galamse, but it's just. And the LT Galamse, and next time I've been in them fight. Some have been in them fight. What has it in the pictures, Beba? On them sites, you know, we should be sat. Look how we are, yes, man, I am this new and I say, MPT. Yet in the pictures, what I said, no would say a cognac, I'm no way for all the gadgets of the quarter Galamse, and so I say Milo. And so I say Milo. And as who say party. Full soldiers, come out from the Galamse. Coffee, about wait here, what I am 4 years and so. I cannot for veteran.
Okay, me that say, for Oba, no was sticky to Mempotemu. purely issues are echoes within your area. Now, wamamenya understanding hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mebacho dum radio na ewo won channel radio set ni dum na. Pacho when?
Pacho send
Your friend saying, Hallie? Hallie? My infant Cornelius Scholar. Good morning. When you? Hallie? Black man.
Pick and brother to do quit.
There be a mistake you for black man.
Oh, and the confusion is
voice now. My mean you.
Whatever, baby, I'm a hard working to you. I'm going to tell you, baby, will be a mentiano. And I'm a Pima Patricia, some Panama. And now, Chairman or dinner home for Quapia. Chairman, which Chairman, baby, will be a Chairman, one quarter. Now, Kobe. Also, me pata mu ase asamna me catch o kovin wo se wo frɛ contractor no not na won fa e fa that just be o ma ye no ha tutu ye pipe ne ade a o ma ye no ma bata wa ha ai bi e kwenti min ko ni fie no na kovin be bu sa se wo fa contractor na wan fa no enu ti mo je kiri de ama ya na ama ye ne wo ho no da bi yan se wo mo de wo asem asema no
wo MC NSC hodu no na onu kope contractor na emayen aninti
kobi ode na me ka se MC me bo na mane wo no an kasa se from the hair but obaye no una na se e ya ro so na re ho se contractor wuti me ya sa de ne pa what I say me di me de se that contractor ko ya fe na desmo no ono na o ya sa de no me tre empenifo de contract ma ka waka se desmo no wo mo de se wo mo be kina bo so ko no na me ka bi se e bi ho a wote wa na contract ya different kind ya se nipa no e lo bi different kind na wo be na duma e te ba za wo ampi ni waka se executive zam wo no munni apa ha bia wo so what I say e di me trepel but no ma no mo ye do mo nyai e ba ye na se ya ho chi ye en ko bi o de se me so me ka ma me pani bi me si be yini shi ho ma na ti ko bo ho be si na ma me no wakadem wakadem ya re ho sem ko bi die tra ho na ya di hie empra ye tra ho na ya di hie enwa ma ne sa abekwa wo waju kwantata wo ju sika gu botom wo ya usika na de gu botom ye ni so mpa so bi o se bi ye me hu nwa ma ne ana if you get more construction be bia wakaze maybe say contractor no bia no
okay
papa me throw da ne be no me nyesa wa hwe ya demonstration ya de be ba bia wo no
just more construction be ba cho area no party biem
area ne ku na tibom e kwa enam tehimahine ni mu na e ho pepe na me tie ko bi oh and the baptist church na e share ni mu
okay
ko bi mesre ya ro hosem e no say the point one me ko fie ma me penifo me wapo ne wo ma agaga se no say yan kabi ama wo mo a enya dia wo mo be prema mako ko fi mi nyere nso nim contract ho ma chen sabi so je te ko so je se bo mi nim wasem na so ya na ti wona sabi o amafo hu se yetimi kasama ne ko chi ne free radio so no eti no me yan ka se mi bi mo mo ko bi masrete udi hu jo ma me a e ka ba me de papa
Mate we deal with it me da CP so we wrapping up with the important good morning when you
good morning Kofi
Pacho mini ababe ni
Pacho ya fami mutu me na masa baby ni
okay kafra wala no
Kofi
afunkwanta Pacho maniti obapa
Kofi dum so idi afunkwanta di omni endi ni ye kra o nya kra
sa
ya to find kra koba na ya ti ase de bia ni me bia salente ase
mo afunkwanta mo ta complain but mo ho mudum ne pa o
enye ize Kofi enye ize kwa afunkwanta ko si another dancing na enye ize kwan kaka we na mudi side ma we senti ya mamu enye kwa we de enye Ghana pa de bia ye bui pa enye wu maya mai kwa serious Yes, so man, Tony, Palma, no woman, so now African Tanya, and said, how many years cry, how many years? Because I'm looking to me, America, some demonstration.
To me, the to me, have a demonstration, obedience. I'm
going demonstration.
Mateo Papa.
Oh, son, one I'm not done, and my son, where you manage to me.
Are they?
I said, son, who to me now.
Wow, Kafra, too bad.
Kumasi, and I'm going to say I saw it 3 days, I saw 3 days, I'm telling you, Jonah, and this is not same. I never born any idea I am. I've got that for nail for you, come for one idea I am. Yanyama Bonnie, I saw my. And then you want to do like now, the same demonstration, and not.
Oh, Papa, say I am grateful. Yeah, they are for the best. What